Hi, everyone! Today we're introducing an indoor wall clock light fixture. Not only can it illuminate, but it also displays the time. The package contains one accessory kit, 5 batteries, 1 screw, 1 screw cap, 1 wrench, 1 pendulum ornament, 1 remote control, and 1 lamp body. First, remove the protective cover from the clock hands. To protect the hands, you can place 2 books at either end to prop up the product, ensuring the hands are not pressed down. This is because you will need to install the 2 batteries for the hands and the 3 batteries for the light. Please insert the 2 anti-collision screws into the corresponding holes. Please install the pendulum pendant with the hook facing upwards to protect the light strip. Next, place the light fixture where you want to install it. Mark the location, and then drill the holes. Hammer the screw sleeves into place, then use an electric drill to install the hooks. Please align the mounting hooks with the mounting brackets on the back of the light fixture, then hang it up. You can adjust the time by turning the black gear behind the lamp. Product installation completed. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.